Afternoon, sir.
Ishamari, how you doing?
Pretty good, sir. You?
All right, just battling a slight headache, but giving thanks. Where were we again? We're on multivariable functions.
Yes, sir.
All right, let me just project some questions so you can start working. Come in, soon come.
Good evening.
All right, so welcome those who have joined. All right, so there goes 2 questions. We're looking at some first order partial derivatives. We need to tighten up and concretize. We started this on Friday. We need to concretize this topic. It's one of the must-haves. So we're going to take some practice today for the first half of the session to just do our partials. Do these for me when you're finished. Let me know.
All right, sir.
Cool. Anybody finish?
Yes, sir.
Mhm. What about the others?
Just came back to the computer, so I'm just starting.
You're very low though.
I said I just came back to the computer, so I'm just starting.
Okay, gotcha. What about the others?
Sir, I just joined.
All right, start work, please.
Good evening, sir.
Hey, Mikey, how you doing?
Evening, sir.
Hey, Chevy. All right, the rest of we finish that one now?
I'm on the one for the Y.
All right, 1 more minute to go.
Good evening.
Hello, how are you feeling?
Not too bad, not too bad. Oh, yeah, okay.
Okay.
Sir.
Mm. 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 All right, guys. How okay. The ones that I'm seeing in chat are correct. So my fxy, I'm getting 12x squared y squared minus 4x cubed. Sorry, 4y cubed plus 9x squared. Do you agree? If you're not agreeing, let me know.
It agree better.
Repeat that, sir.
It's on the screen. F of xy, I'm getting 12x squared y cubed. I mean y squared minus 4x cubed plus y squared. Agreed or disagree?
Agree, sir.
All right, good. And my f of xy is going to be 8xy x cubed y plus 10y plus 18xy.
Agreed,
Agree
sir.
or disagree?
Agree.
All right, good job.
I didn't get that.
Very good.
I
Yeah.
You
didn't
didn't
get
get that?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Tell me what you got. Talk to me.
I got 12x squared minus 4x cubed. Because in my head, when you are differentiating for one variable, the other one becomes the constant. So I wasn't thinking of having the y in it any at all.
Why not? But
So
which
could
one is the
you-
constant?
It should be the constant.
What will be the constant?
The x would be the constant for the y.
So it will be 4x cubed, that is a constant.
Mm-hmm.
And you're differentiating. Sorry, say it again.
No, I'm just saying,
Right, so 4x cubed is a constant. And you're differentiating with respect to y. So when you differentiate y, you're going to get 2y. When you differentiate y squared, you get 2y. So it's going to be 4x cubed times 2y. 4x cubed times 2y. When I differentiate 5y squared, I'm going to get 10y squared.
You get too much, sir?
I only get 10y squared. Did I get
10y.
Very good. I want to say that to see if you're paying attention. You'll get 10y. Very good. That you say that is only 10y, not 10y squared. And then now when I differentiate -x to the fourth, that's 0 because that's a constant. There's nothing for me to care about. because it stays by itself. That's a constant in and of itself. However, and I'm differentiating 9x y cubed, y squared. I'm differentiating with respect to y. So the 9x is a constant. So I'm going to take out the 9x. And see here, let's take out the 9x. When I differentiate y squared, I'm going to get 2y. So it's going to be 9x times 2y.
Sir, you said the shortcut is to differentiate one and just put back the other.
Yes. Because look at this one up here. When I do the first term, 4x cubed y squared, if you differentiate it as a taught to differentiation in calculus 1, I'm going to differentiate with respect to y. So when it's a constant, so I'm going to have 4x cubed, see it here, so, times the differentiation of the first times the differentiation of the second. So I'm differentiating with respect to x. So 4x cubed times the differential of the second. Now, because I'm differentiating with respect to x, anything with y is going to be a constant. I'm going to differentiate that, I'm going to get 0. So that's I've got the 0 right here. Plus the second, plus y squared. Now times the differentiation of the first. And I differentiate the first 4x cubed. I'm going to have 12x squared. And I get the 12x squared now. This times this is 0. So all I'm going to left with is 12x squared y squared. But when I do the shortcut method, I still get 12x squared y squared. I'm keeping the y squared constant. Put it back. And when I differentiate 4x cubed, I'm going to get 12x squared. I just add my 12x squared here and get my 12x squared y squared. Any question?
No, sir.
All right. Now, why am I so patient with you with this? It is a must-have. And if your differentiation is wrong at the start of the question, the rest of the question is wrong. So tonight, I'm not going to necessarily do a question. You all are going to be working for me tonight. And as we go, we're moving faster and faster. Here goes another question. Pick and fast. Give it 3 minutes.
Sorry, we can see the WhatsApp.
Sit again.
No, we can see the WhatsApp on the screen, sir.
Okay. Thank you. All right. Good job. All right. So what about the rest of you? I'm only seeing one response so far. The rest of you, are you okay with
Type
it?
something in the chat, sir. Hold on.
Okay. All right, let's go. So I got for my f subscript x and f subscript y. Look at it and tell me if you agree with me, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, not that much.
Question,
Yeah.
sir.
Go ahead, Shamari.
So if we were supposed to do the f of x and f of xy for the first question, we would have gotten the same. We would have gotten f of xy to be equal to f of yx, just the same.
Okay, all right, I don't know.
Sir, that's
The
what
first,
I got.
the first one? The first one, Shamari?
Yes, sir. Any of them, any of these two.
All right. So the question is, sir, you are showing us the first partial derivative. Question is, sir, what if I were to do the second partial derivative of the two, would I get them to be the same? All right. As soon as what should I do? How should I respond to you? All right, do me a favor. All right, let me just check this one in the chat. All right, very good. All right, very good. Yeah, very good. All right, so the question is, what if we're supposed to get f of xy and f of yx? Will we get the same thing? For both questions, part 1 and part 2. Hold on. All right. So yes, you will get an opportunity to verify the response. We'll get an opportunity to verify that response, Shamari. Soon come. I was just checking to see how I did the stuff. So hold on to your question, soon come. Quick and fast. So I'm going to answer to the question 3 for me, please. Quick and fast. Quick and fast. Very quick and very fast. All right? Good.
Sir, with
Right.
the x, y, and the yx, what do you mean?
We're only seeing question 2, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Wait a while ago, guys.
Only seen question 2.
Oh, yeah, sorry, because, you seem 3 now?
Yes, sir.
Finish? What's the answer?
Not yet, sir.
All right.
Sir, finish.
What's the answer?
Sir, for fx, I got 12x y cubed plus 8y to the fourth minus 10xy. And for fy, I have 18x squared, y squared plus 32x y cubed minus 5x squared plus 2.
Very good.
Thank you.
Anybody else?
Don't finish the Y as it, sir, but I got the first one.
Sir, I'm
Okay.
about to do the Y one.
All right. Very good.
I finished now, sir.
Check to see if those are what it is that you got.
Sir.
I keep leaving off some small things when it comes on to the Y. Because I don't have the Y cube, I left that off.
Fix it.
So, sir, if we leave it for we simplify it, would I like lose probably half a mark or so?
Oh, so what you have? You just have the top line?
Yes, sir, I did forget, send me have a next line, but me did want to just tell us I'm done.
Yeah, after simplify it though.
All right.
Mhm. Is there anybody in the class that is not understanding though? Right, so
I got you, sir. I only made an error with my multiplication. 4 times 8. I put 24 instead of 32.
oh, okay, but everything else is correct.
Yes, sir.
Got you. Proud of you. All right. Here goes another example. Example 4. I'm coming back to what Shemari asked just now about the f of x, y, and f of y, x with these same 4 questions. All right. So start with question 4 for me, please. Quick and fast.
So we're only to do the X and the Y for this one.
Yeah. Finish?
This first one.
taking too long now.
So I double check it. I'm not sure if I think I did something wrong.
Mhm.
All right, so let me get that try. So for
Let me
f
hear
of
the
x,
answer.
I get 5x to the fourth, y cubed minus y to the fifth minus y.
1x minus y and that. Oh,
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
man.
I got that too.
Go
If
again with
the-
that? Oh,
Yeah.
okay, let me get that.
X, y, x. Yes, sir. See in 5 seconds.
So you got f subscript
We get
x.
the f squared.
I
Oh.
didn't hear you say, I didn't hear you completely for the f subscript y. Did you get the same thing that I have?
Yes, sir.
I
3x to
got
the
the
fifth,
same thing.
y square minus 5x, y to the fourth minus x plus 1.
Very nice.
Sorry, I left off the +1. I feel like
Why?
something was wrong. It's no, I didn't. I feel like something was wrong. That's why I wanted to recheck, but I see where I went wrong.
All right, good job. Are we all okay?
yes, sir.
Question, sir.
Mhm.
I got the +1 in, but without outlining as you would outline above, and then where we have +1, I would have put y if I wasn't outlining it the way you outline it in the above examples. Would
Mhm.
that be incorrect?
Absolutely. Because it means that your differentiation will not have been complete. You're not have differentiated the y. And it
So
makes a difference because, put it this way, if I'm finding any production cost, instead of adding 1 to the end, you'd have y that, whatever value of y that you substitute in would give you a wrong answer. So you would advise about them, say, yo, we will make X amount of money at this point. But in truth and in fact, it's not true because you should have added a 1 as opposed to adding a way higher value. And you start the project, and halfway into the project, you recognize you need more. Put it this way. I don't know how many of you have had the experience, maybe doing a little bit of construction at home, or to get, at home, full stop, at home. And you say to the man, yo, how much you put on a 1 room right there, so one so for me? And the man say, it's about maybe about 20 bag of cement and 2 load of sand and X number steel and support. And I say to the man, all right, I go buy the stuff then. You sure so no want for do? I go be that amount? Yes, man, bossy. A long time in other business, I'm not gonna need nothing more, man. You're good man. And you sit down and you pencil it out and say, and how much you charge me? Him say no, say my labor gonna be about 400,000 though. I say, all right. And you work it out. I say, no, say a $1.4 million this come to because the material alone come to $1 million. I forgot pay him 400,000. I look and say, we can manage to come over 1.5. So me have 100,000 of incidentals. And I go buy the stuff then. And before the man there's something to blow out, the man has to say, so I want 2 more bags of cement, bossy. You can say, can't do that. Me ask you how much first. The money I have left for pay you. And this is why a lot of times businesses run into problems. You ever say I'm gonna build a house and 3-4 years on the line, the man can't move anywhere else. Because the man start and never calculate the thing properly. Anybody ever say that yet? Or it happened to you before?
Yeah, and then the building turn sideways.
Yes, sir.
See me so. See me so. So I keep telling the man, say, yo, you want a big house? Build it a room at a time. Say, you know, say about $300,000. It means say you can only put on one washroom, or you put on like a one room and then you put on like a zinc on it as a temporary roof. You do that. When you get the stuff, you can move on to the next thing. So yes, Arsenal, it makes life so much more complicated when we don't do the calculation right. And it goes anywhere else. You could be putting in your kitchen cupboard and you tell the animal to say, yes, so you're gonna need X number of this, you're gonna need X number of that, and then you say, all right, sure. You could have put on a water tank. And you say, yeah, man, you go want 3 length of pipe, and you go want, give me 1 dozen coupling, and give me 1 dozen elbow, and give me 1 dozen this, and so forth. And you buy the stuff and you sit down and say, boss, you know, so I'm gonna need this one, I'm gonna need that one. I'm gonna say, brethren, I'm not doing anything properly, you know, because they're gonna push you out of work. All right, this is the last example I'm gonna give you, and then I'm gonna respond to Shamari. Example number 5, quick and fast. Obviously,
Sir, finish.
good job.
Finish the
All the rest
X
of us, Steve.
to the Y.
Arsenal, finish.
Finish the X going to the Y.
I know you're working slowly. What about the rest of you? Chevy, Shamari, also working.
Finishing,
Finish, yeah.
yeah,
Say it again.
Finish, sir.
Okay.
not finished as yet.
Working slowly, Shamari. Working slowly. Those of you who are working, don't look at the screen. Just continue working. Those of you who are working, don't look at the
Sir,
screen.
hold on this, sir. When you see negative sign on, sir.
Ah, and that's why I put that one there. That's why I put that one there. Roesty, look at the screen and tell me if you agree with me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. So what I did right there now was the first order partial derivatives for these 5 questions. What I did was a first order partial derivative for these 5 questions. First order partial derivatives for the 5 questions. We're going to be looking at the second order partial derivatives now. I'm doing this because I know I introduced a topic class Friday. And some of you may or may not have been a little bit comfortable with it. Shamari asked a question and I am in agreement with Shamari. And I'm gonna respond to him in just a few after I would go through this again. So look at what I have on the screen. My second order partial derivative, SOPD, and cross partial derivatives of a function, of the multivariable function. All right, so I'm looking at my second order partial derivatives and my second order cross order partial derivatives as well. And why is it called a cross order partial derivatives? It's a question that Shamari was asking just now. Sir, what if you did f of xy and f of yx? Would it be the same? And that's an exercise that you're going to go through now, right? But I want you to look at the notations first, because the 5 questions I gave you just now, we're going to be redoing them with the second order partial derivatives and the cross order partial derivatives. So why never just make us do everything one time? No, I want to make sure that you understand the first order partial derivatives, because if you don't understand the first order partial derivatives, your answer for the second order partial derivatives will be wrong. Can you see where I'm going right there?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
let us look at the notation. Let us look at the notation. My f of xy, my f of xy, my f of x of xy is the same as my squiggly of the function over my squiggly x. This squiggly x, you know what that is? You know, we talk about dy by dx. This squiggly x is indicating that it's a partial derivative. This squiggly x is indicating as a partial derivative with respect to x. And this squiggly of the function f of xy. So if you see the notation, and why are you doing this? Because sometimes they give you the different notations. There's another notation that I'll also talk to you about sometime later. I don't want them to give you a different notation. I believe that I didn't teach you something. I want to show you that it is the same notation. All right. And my f of xx, you see I have my squiggly xx. My squiggly xx is saying that I'm finding the second partial derivative with respect to x. All right. And if you look at my f of y, it's the same difference, right? Squiggly x, squiggly of yy tells me that I'm talking about the second order partial derivatives. All right. So whichever notation that them give you, I normally stick to the first notation, f subscript x of xy. It's neater. It is nicer to work with, but you have different notations. Whichever notation they give to you, don't be afraid of it. Students, let me just stop and say something to you. As you have about 10 minutes left to finish up all of these questions, because you have the first order partial derivatives, it is so much easier now for us to do the second order partial and the cross order partial. Hear me out. My aim is for all of you to pass the exam. A topic such as this is a likely candidate for 30 marks. Learn it. Learn it. Learn it. Let's go. So look to see if this was example 1 that I gave you for the first order partial?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it was.
All right, good. Do the second order partial for me, please.
Could you scroll back to the notation, please?
Say it again.
Could you scroll back to the notation, please?
Oh. So what you can all do for me now is you have the questions 1 through 5. You can go through the second partial. You don't have to do the cross order partial just yet because I think I'm only I think I'm taking it in stages. Yeah, I think I'm taking it in stages, the second order partial, and then I'll come to the cross order partial. But if you want, you can see something. You can see something. Yeah.
Can scroll.
Yeah, just do the second order partial. I'll come to the cross order partial sometime after. Yeah, do the second order partial derivative, and then for homework, I'll give you the cross order partial to do for homework for Wednesday's class.
I'm sorry, I attempted all of them or yeah.
Say it again?
Sorry, I attempted all of them or while I was doing the original questions.
Oh, fabulous. Anybody else did it? Because I cannot sense that Shamar did the same thing too.
It's just that I don't remember about the cross.
The cross order partial?
Yes, sir. I don't remember.
And that's
to that
fine.
one.
No, and that's fine. If you don't remember what to that, that's fine. Anybody else attempted?
I did all. Oh, sorry.
Go ahead, Papa.
I did all of them for the first question, but then when I realized that you're not looking at the others, I stopped, and I wanted to catch the methodology properly first before I do the rest of them like that. So just the first question.
Right. So you're getting the reason, the method to my madness. So that's exactly what I was doing, trying to improve on the methodology of the question, so that you concretize it before I move into the second order partial. Fair enough. All right. So what I'm getting is a sense that you guys did the second order partial. So I'm going to go through the second order partial. What did you get for f of xx? Anybody, somebody?
Wait, sorry, go back that one more time.
Just asking, what did you get for the second order partial for the first question?
Oh,
f
I
of
got
xx.
24x square y plus 18y.
Shamari, you agree with him?
No, sir, but
18
mine did wrong, but I think it would have been 24xy square minus 12x.
Yes, sir. That's what I got.
Yeah, man.
Oh.
Taj, look at it again, Papa.
Yeah, no, I said true because yeah, I see it.
You see?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
Okay, I see.
Yeah, I'm proud of you. Thanks for waking up, Mikey. Chevy, stay too quiet, Chevy. Me not trust you when it's so quiet, Chevy.
I say I'm just start them months. These things are just
No,
start.
because you're supposed to, you're top man and you're supposed to have this thing locked. So wait time I say start it, you're supposed to finish it. Oh,
We get those answers.
you got them?
Yes, sir.
All right, good job. Ask them how you stay.
Terminal start state.
Lady.
But I'll do them though. I'll do them. I'll do
Okay.
them. I'll do them. Please
Okay.
don't keep off my head.
All right. So what I did for you, I brought back the answers for the first order partial. So at least you could look at it and then work it from the first order partial. So for those of you who are not there yet, let us go through with this. Oh boy. I thought about something a while ago, and just as I thought about it, it happened. But anyhow, F subscript, okay, the first order partial for x is my 12x squared y, 12x squared y squared minus 4x cubed plus 9y squared. And my f subscript y f of xy is going to be 8x cubed y plus 10y plus 18xy. No, when I'm doing my f of xx, I'm using this one up here. So I'm differentiating with respect to x. It means that my y squared is constant, so I'm carrying back my y squared down here. And then I'm differentiating 12x squared to give me 24x. So it's going to be 24xy squared. And that's what I have right here. I'm differentiating with respect to x. That means I can differentiate 4x cubed. 4 3 is 12. I'm going to get 12x squared, which is right here. I'm differentiating with respect to x. So that means my 9y squared is a constant equals to 0. My f subscript, understand that?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
Mm-hmm. My f subscript yy is going to be, see my f subscript y here? This is the answer for the first piece of the question that we did. I'm differentiating with respect to y, that means my x is constant. So I'm leaving my 8x cubed constant. Differentiating the y, I get 1. So it's just 8x cubed. Differentiating with respect to y, it's going to be 10. Differentiating with respect to y, it means that my 18x is constant. And I differentiate y, I get 1. So it's just 18x. Talk to me. Any
Yes, sir, I was
questions?
following.
Go ahead, Shamar.
Saying yes, sir, I was following.
Okay, good job. I'm happy. All right, let me ask you to do the second one, and then I'm gonna come and say something to you. Second one. Again, I'm gonna project the answer for the second one. The first order partial, and then ask you to do the second order partial for me. And then I'm gonna stop there and just talk to you about something.
So a quick question. For the one with the x, y, and the yx, that's what you call the cross. The cross
Very good.
partial.
Yes, Papa. Yes, son. Yes.
You know, I think that's what I did. That's what I actually did instead of the fxx version. Okay.
Oh,
Because,
okay.
yeah, because when I was doing that, I was getting the same answers for each of the questions.
Okay, that means you're reading the cross order partial then.
Yes, sir. So I was doing the wrong thing. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm finished with this one.
All right. All the rest of we stay.
Finish as well, sir.
Good job. Nice job. Thanks. Thank you to Simon. Easy one too, don't it?
10y negative
Yes,
12.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Anybody have any dissension answer? You
Same,
get
sir,
it?
same.
Sorry, somebody saying something?
I said same answer.
Same. All right. I'm gonna be on this topic for the rest of this week. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. Okay. So we're gonna be losing 3 hours on Friday. Good Friday. I'm gonna be losing 2 hours on Monday, Easter Monday. We're losing 5 hours, guys.
Yeah.
Oh, crap.
Never noticed, you know?
Yeah.
We already said you're going to see if we're going to use that for education.
Yeah, but guess what now? I did say that, but I didn't know that it would drop right into the middle of the multivariable functions. Oh crap.
We have class Wednesday. We don't have class Wednesday.
Yeah, my class Wednesday. All right. I want to okay. I want by Wednesday for us to get into the answering a complete question on this. You have to promise me that when we should return Wednesday of next week, that the EducaSoft is completed. You have to promise me, because we're just going to have April. Mark you, I think we're moving pretty fast. I think we are, at a good pace. Well, I'm at a good pace. I don't know where you guys are at just yet. But I need to encourage you with something though. And in particular, it's an experience I'm having with, for this academic year, Calculus 1, Calculus 2 for me. I've come across some very lovely students in terms of learning their mathematics online. And whenever I come across a set of students who, like I did recently, they said to me, oh, sir, I can't learn math online. I was saying to them, okay, you guys want to meet my calculus students, right? I'm really proud of what it is that you guys are doing or have been doing. Some of you, though, I believe, need a little bit more push. I've been having conversations on a one-on-one with people, giving an assessment of how I feel. For example, I would say to you that you're not speaking up in class. So when you do the question, I don't know if you're understanding, because I don't know what it is that you're doing. And boom, that happened. Boom, exam run. Boom, B. It makes a big difference. It makes a huge difference when you participate in class and you do the work. So I'm going to encourage you to start working. There are some questions. Every single thing that I have done so far will appear on the exam paper. Every single thing. The questions that I've done so far will come from maybe 9 marks or 8 marks or 10 marks. This question that I'm doing will come for about 30 marks. And I say about because I'm not too sure, but I could be sure. Could come for 30 marks. So make sure you understand it. Big up on yourself, complete your EducaSoft.
Well,
We can
understood.
go ahead, my love.
I know you post the recordings and I know you say we're asking, but we're not watching them. Is it that you post them jumbly and not in order? Because I'm looking for a specific one and I'm not seeing it.
All right, so let me explain how the recordings come. So the recordings have been posted. When Mikey asked for those recordings, the only one that was left, the only ones that were left out, I think I got it like maybe Friday night, Saturday morning, was the Wednesday recording and the one that went from the Friday. The truth of the matter is when the recordings come in, sometimes I think I double post the recordings because it depends on how the recordings come in from the institution. It doesn't come to me directly. So that's why I can't post the recordings immediately following class. So I have to wait until the institution sends it to me. And I think they have done it in a manner where it is automatic. Now, at the time when I'm sending the recordings, truth be told, it's a little difficult for me to go to the recording to remember what it is that was done. So if you look at some of the recordings, you may see multivariable functions. So I can help to guide you in that regard. But when I have like 3 or 4 recordings coming in at one time that I'm uploading to the system, I really can tell you the honest truth. I don't have the time to go through my business calculus, my environmental statistics, my calculus 2, and whichever other course I'm teaching to see, oh, which topic was this again? Sometimes I come to class, like when Shamari joined class, I say, Shamari, what were we on again? I don't remember. So yes, that is going to pose a problem. But what you can do though, you can just scroll through the video to see that this is what it is that it's talking about. You can scroll through and see what it is talking about. Because the truth is sometimes, and what is happening, what I feel happening is I won't be too surprised if I would upload one video multiple times because sometimes the videos come in and I don't know what happened. But any video that comes in to me, I just upload them. So that's a difficulty, that's a drawback case asked me, and that you're correct. So all you have to do,
for Fridays yet?
and that was uploaded.
I don't see it.
Yes, ma'am. Anybody see the video for Friday?
I didn't get a chance to check.
I would have to double check.
It was uploaded, man. All my videos for last week were uploaded.
I'll check
Yeah.
through the night, and if I see it, I'll tell you. If I don't
Yes,
see
please.
it, I'll tell you.
If you don't see it, let me know. But yeah, man, the only thing that I have to be uploaded now is tonight's class. I'm up to date. So this is I was able to say to Mikey when he asked a question that, yup, no man, check. Monday's upload was done. I did Monday's upload Wednesday morning. Wednesday morning, I did Monday's upload for both my Monday and Tuesday class. So when he asked on Friday, I did not do any upload for Wednesday, Thursday, and the Friday. And I had one class on Wednesday, your class. I had 2 classes on Thursday, a business calculus and an environmental stats, and then your class again on Friday, the calculus too. So I did 4 uploads on Saturday morning. Check and let me know though.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes, Poppy.
oh yeah, I'm checking them right now. I only see 3 video uploading. Because I was looking for the Friday class. At Friday class, I was sick. But no, I don't see that video for the 21st. I see, let me see here. The last video I'm seeing is for March 20th.
You're not seeing that video? All right, let me.
Just the Friday one I'm not seeing.
Because the ones I'm seeing is only for the trapezoidal rule. Not seeing any since we start this new topic.
Um, I'm actually in my stuff looking to see if anything in upload failed. And I'm not seeing. Oh, hold on. Let me just. I'm not seeing it from the computer's end. Let me just check my. Give me 1 more minute. Let me just check.
All right, sir, no problem.
My phone. Don't move it. Don't move. mm, 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 mm. Yeah, I'm not seeing.
You
I'm
know,
not seeing where any. I'm not seeing where any other videos failed. You know.
yeah, I could be looking at it wrong, because I normally look at the timestamp in the video and it says March 21st. So because I'm not too sure. No, this is a business calculus. What am I doing? Wrong video. The last video, may I say, is for March the 20th, which was last week, Wednesday.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
man,
guess we
so
can search them out during the course of the night and then.
yeah, man, we give you updates if we
All
see
right,
it.
yeah, man. Check it because I'm in my channel now,
Mhm.
and but I don't understand though because I uploaded 4 videos and I'm only seeing 3
Three.
videos. 3 videos I said 2 days ago.
Days ago.
Mm-hmm. So probably one not published.
I don't
Probably
understand though
one
because
never select, just resend it.
but me don't know which one no. So never go tell me.
That would
The
the
one for
timestamp would have been
Friday's
the
class.
22nd, yeah.
So none was posted for Friday's class because I not see it anywhere.
Jesus, my Lord. All right. All right, because I'm in there now and I'm only seeing 2 views and 5 views of 5 views of business calculus. And I'm seeing 4 views for calculus, and there are so many of us in the calculus class, but never mind. All right. So, I'm just saying, All right.
Understand, sir.
Yeah, all right. So I'm honest, I did 4 videos on Saturday, and I'm only seeing 3 here. So let me go again and re-upload the video on Friday.
Okay, thanks, sir.
All right, then cool. All right, thanks much. Thanks. I'll see you later.
No, later, sir.
Have a good evening.